From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we've made it to the midweek point, and our weather pattern still staying summer-like for the rest of the week into fall, which officially gets here at 3:02 in the afternoon Friday this weekend. Another summer weekend, but maybe the weekend after looking better. Meanwhile, the tropics, the story not done with Maria. Boys, this storm a bad one. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. In fact, let's take a look at the big picture across much of the lower 48 and the tropics. Our weather has been quite kind to us, thank you, although we do have ridging and high pressure across the area. Enough weaknesses in those ridges to allow for a few scattered showers and thunder showers. All the action on the East Coast, still Jose lingering, could eventually guide Maria down the line, and then Maria, a catastrophic storm, continues to do its stuff. More on that in the tropics in just a bit. High pressure still dominating, but allow for a few more showers and thunder showers this afternoon. Very light southerly winds across the area, but most of the shower activity, at least in Acadiana, pretty much has diminished. Still some pretty hefty storms over on the other side of the Atchafalaya Swamp, and locally we're just seeing just a couple of isolated cells, one south of Welsh moving generally north and east, a little bit of an east drift last few hours. I don't think this is going to last long. Another cell as we get south and west of the Eunice area and south of Basile, moving generally to the north. Nice little downpour here, but it won't last long as well. And then farther to the north we go. We had some pretty strong storms in around Opelousas. Look what's happened over the last hour. That cell is completely collapsed, and a few more active cells in the extreme northern portions of Avoyelles Parish. But again, all activity diminishing probably in the next hour as we lose that daytime heating factor. So upper level winds generally out of the west moving to the east, surface winds coming out of the south, and that's not going to change for a while. Tomorrow we'll see a similar pattern, maybe a little bit later onset of showers and storms. Meanwhile, we look at Jose up in the northeast, still sitting and spinning, still a tropical storm with 70-mile-per-hour winds. And watch the forecast track on this guy. Moves off to the east, then makes a 180 and goes back to the west, all the while weakening. But hopefully this allows for a weakened conduit for Maria to follow and perhaps move out to sea down the line. More on that in just a bit. So here's Hurricane Maria, a 24-hour loop starting out as a Cat 4 as it slammed the southeastern part of Puerto Rico, went over the Virgin Islands. There's a little bit of a difference here because I have the satellite imagery enhanced and elevated, but if we look straight down, you can see how that storm is been pushing across Puerto Rico this afternoon, now gaining latitude and getting away from the island. So notice the eyes getting better defined once again. So it's weakened to a Cat 2. Puerto Rico, though, 100% of the island without power, major destruction to the power grid, and the heavy rainfall, 25 to 35 inches of rain. Why? Because we have mountains here in Puerto Rico that go up to 33 to 4,300 feet. So you have this heavy rainfall and then that water just falling down through those channels, producing, again, life-threatening flooding and mudslides. So still a Category 2, but I got a feeling this is going to be bumped up to maybe 115 a little bit later on this evening, if not 7, if not the 10 o'clock bulletin. And then back to a Category 3 with 120-mile-per-hour winds. Just brushes east of the Turks and Caicos. They're going to get some weather there. And then open Atlantic down to a Category 1 early next week. So let's take a look at the European model, one of the more reliable models, but just one projection, non-official forecast, and the model pretty much follows the National Hurricane Center forecast through next Tuesday, halfway between Bermuda and the U.S. So like Jose, more wind and beach erosion issues, and hopefully here's the remnants of Jose. Maybe they get a little interaction and that pushes the system out to sea, but nonetheless the Canadian Maritimes will have to watch the system. And oh, by the way, by that following weekend, cooler air across Acadiana, as I do expect a cool front to arrive about a week from tomorrow. Near term, fair skies through tomorrow morning, some fog developing by daybreak, then tomorrow afternoon. The heat will be on, heat indices getting up close to 100, and then the risk of a few late afternoon storms coming at us from the northeast into the very early evening tomorrow, and then things quiet down. We do it all over again with more fog toward Friday morning and a few afternoon storms. storms. So showers ending early this evening, warm and humid. Some of that fog by daybreak once again. 74 the low. That's normal for August, not September. 91 the high tomorrow with summer-like heat and humidity. That heat index near 100. Scattered, we'll say late afternoon showers and storms at about 30%. As we go down the road, no changes even though fall gets here for Friday. This weekend, daytime highs near 90. Could see afternoon storms Saturday into Sunday in the 30% range. We'll say a little bit drier early next week, but staying on the hot side until that front gets here next Thursday. And then hopefully Friday and the following weekend will take highs in the mid-80s, but lower humidity. More importantly, I think lows dip down into the mid-60s for that following weekend.
Oh, that'll be nice. I mean, with the official start this weekend, it'd be better, but hey, what can you do?
But you know how it is around here in Acadia.
We sure do.
It takes
We're
usually
used to it,
October before it starts cooling down nicely.
We'll get there. Thanks, Rob.